Hi guys, I'd like to give you the opportunity to win this drone, one of you, lucky viewers. Anyhow, just simply leave me a comment in the comment section and one of you will be picked at random. This will run for 30 days and then after the 30 days is up, it'll be like November 27th, we will pick our winner. Thank you guys for watching, appreciate all the support. Thank you so much for 7,000 subscribers and get me to where I'm at, I appreciate it. Love y'all. You rock. Bye.
Hi guys. Today we're going to check out the Holy Stone hs360e. This is a new release. It has a Sony CMOS sensor. Nothing in there. Look at that. It's an empty box. Oh no, there it is. This thing is ultralight and foldable, has 4K EIS camera, GPS return, and intelligent flight. I already told you it's made by Holy Stone, but it's definitely made by Holy Stone. This is good quality products. Never had any problems with their products. Thank you to Holy Stone for allowing me to be involved in this. You guys are hopefully going to be pleasantly surprised to find out that I have a store now available where you can buy any of these Holy Stone drones that you would like, and I would appreciate the support. And we're going to be running a special for the grand opening, give you guys coupon code to run through and save you some money on your purchase, just like the 360e here. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into this drone. I've already put my sticks in. They're stored in the bottom when you first get it. That's how you would charge the drone. There's your phone storage, and then you plug the wire in there, your cable to connect it to your phone. This cable, mine's USB-C, so I'm going to plug that in, get that ready. Okay, here's my phone. Have the battery fully charged this time. Alright, get my phone in there. Gotta watch my power button, so I'm gonna keep it to the side a little bit. There we go. Oops, I should have plugged it in a different way. There, now I have enough cable. I plugged it in facing away from my charging port. But now we're good. Okay, let's go ahead and get the drone out. You unfold the front arms first, then the back arms. Front arm, the back arm. Let's go ahead and take the camera cover off of there. This is the battery charger. Just plug that same USB-C cable here into that, and you'll be good to go. Just add that battery into it, just like so. Plug it in there. It's gonna be charging. Alright, let's get this plugged in the drone. Pull down on the tab as you push it in, then release. Lock in there nicely. We do have an SD card slot here, which is really nice. Get that high quality video and pictures stored on there. Fold up props, nice little brushless motors. Imagine they're going to be somewhere around 8,000 to 10,000 kV, somewhere in that area. It is a 249 gram drone. EIS stabilization on the camera. And we get everything out of the way, we'll get this thing up in the sky. I'm going to test its wind resistance today. It's nice and windy. Okay, so we're going to tap and long press to power up the drone. Same on the remote. Tap and long press. Should open up my app as well. Just download the app before you get started. I've got my phone tilted a little bit there. Fix that. There we go. Okay, so we're connecting. It's going to take it a minute to connect to the GPS. Switch to the orange side for the month of Halloween. You guys have a happy Halloween coming up. Shouldn't be too much longer here. There we go. The app's opening up for us. Should be able to see what the camera's seeing here soon. Okay, looks good. Looks like we're ready to enter just by tapping the control. Okay, it's on, looks like normal speed. You have sport mode, camera mode, and normal mode. So let's try camera mode first. We may have to kick it up to sport mode to fight that wind. You can see the orange landing pad. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get this in the air. If you wanted to shut the GPS mode off, just long press the speed button here. Okay, now familiarize you with the remote. You have your power button, your auto takeoff and landing there, speed button, camera to take a picture, video button to take video, return to home button to return to home. Have your up and down throttle, left and right spin, left and right sideward flight, forward and backward flight. And your phone holder, of course. And back here you have your camera angle. You can raise and lower the camera angle. And then over here is your zoom. So you can zoom in, zoom out. Alright, well, let's get this thing in the air. Go ahead and take your joysticks down and to the center. Just like so. Just start the motor. And then either you can hit the auto takeoff like this, or you can just raise it up with the throttle. Look at that. I think we've locked in some satellites there, looks like. Definitely. Alright, once again we have the 360e here, made by Holy Stone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone's doing well. This thing is nice and stable, guys. Beautiful. Good looking product. Alright, let's get up there. I have it in camera mode right now, so it's going to be nice and slow, like a snail. Take good videos at that speed. That's the whole point. Alright, let me see what we're looking at. Oh, that's nice. Nice and sunny today. Alright, let's go ahead and take a snapshot by hitting the camera button. Oh, right there, we captured the birds. I did. Very cool. Okay, let's turn it back at me here. See if I can't point it down. Alright. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I'll save that for the video. Anyway, I'll give you the peace sign in the picture. Okay, let's go ahead and do a little bit of video by pressing the video button. Alright. So now we're taking video. Hi guys, thanks for watching. That's my cue to wave and say hello. Love y'all. Thank you so much for the support. Appreciate it. Keep coming back. There's a lot more to come. Don't forget to stop by the new store, drchybridreviews.com, or you can just get right to it through the YouTube channel. Follow the links. There'll be links in the videos of the products that I sell that's matched up with my videos. So appreciate that. I'm excited to announce that. Thank you, Holy Stone. Thank you to all my viewers. Thank you, YouTube, Google. Thank you all for allowing this to happen. Appreciate it. Couldn't do it without you. Alright, so let's do a slow 360. Point the camera back up here. Wrong direction. There we go. Nice. Look at that field of view. You can see for miles. Beautiful. That Sony camera is amazing. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, let's go ahead and stop the video there at the tree line. Stopping the video by pressing the video button. Let's take it out a little further into the field. And we'll do our first return to home. A little more altitude. More distance. Okay, here we go. We're going to initiate return to home. Pressing the return to home button. Wow, this one comes right back. Oh, look at that. It's going to spin around and come back at us. Neat. Wow. That really moves out fast when it comes back home. Get you back to the landing pad before the battery goes dead. I think it's starting to descend. There we go, spinning back around, coming down, facing forward. I love it when they do that. That makes me very happy. This does have two rubber feet on the drone too, so you can stick the landing. Love that. Appreciate that. Hope you guys can see this okay. I think I got my camera on straight today. You never know about me. Yeah, man, here we go. I like the landing light. That's nice. The bottom light. It's always nice to have. Helps you in your navigation. Look at this. There's the pad. There's the drone. It's really close. Within a few feet. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it by hitting the return to home button once. That'll stop it. Now I'm in control. You can still move it when you're returning to home if you wanted to line things up a little better, but it'll continue to land until you disable it by pressing the return to home again. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and do another return to home, then we'll see how it flies just by putting it into sport mode. See how good it flies around, how fast it is. Alright, let's go out here to the west.